my business doesn't pay you. But anyways, y'all can't see the whole fit, but basically, me and my friend are about to go to the beach. It's like, it is literally, man, I don't got time. It's 7:20 right now on a Saturday. Me and her are bored, so we about to go. This is the beach fit because we're not about to go swimming, so just go with some shorts and go. I finished my hair today. It's not like I really don't think this is centered, but it's fine. I did like the like locks. You know what I'm talking about, when they retwist their hair, and you know what I'm talking about. I did that on my hair, and then I conjoined them, so I did 2 different ones, but I technically did flat twist because if that other way, you're gonna have to really sit there with one of them thingies. So I was like, nah, I'm not about to do that. So I did flat twist, and then I did like, wow, I'm explaining this badly, but I did flat twist, 2 flat twists for each like twist, I guess, and then I twisted them together, and yeah, that's where we're at. I feel like braiding your own hair, it's like, it's a blessing and a curse at the same time, because then you just there because you're the one that's doing your hair. But anyways, this is my fit. I want some shorts. Maybe if I put y'all at the do. Don't mind my bed. That's cool. Don't mind it. This is what I'm wearing. Crop top, shorts, and hoodie. Cause baby, it's that time. It's that cold season. Anyways, I might see y'all at the beach. I don't know. Maybe y'all call me. Maybe y'all know. We'll see. I'll see y'all. We're outside. I'm not driving. It either be me or her driving, and she's driving today. So we're at a nice, y'all can't see nothing in back, but we're at a 7-Eleven right now. She's doing her thing. I forgot she has no tints in her car whatsoever. Good Lord. Yeah. Just a little pit stop or mini adventure. Nice. I'm okay tired though, not gonna lie with you, but it's gonna hit when I actually go to sleep. It's gonna really hit for real. That's gonna be a vibe. It's gonna really hit. Her phone ain't even charging. What is that? Her phone ain't even charging. Anyways, yeah. This was mad nice. Oh, this is a vibe. It's a great beach excursion. It's great. And I feel tipsy. I'm not drunk nothing. We can break it up, but we're not going to talk about that. But it's nice out here. Oh, they playing on the playground now. I was like, why do I hear them again? These middle schoolers, those days. Anyways, this building back here, I feel like this is a nice, like, this place is real nice. Virginia Beach is real nice. Yeah, that's enough of that. Out of it. I don't think I can hear me because we're talking, but I went to sleep, I went to eat, I went to do all this. I'm gonna show y'all the food when we get it though. I always don't know if y'all can hear me. Hopefully I can. Just plug out. It's 8:36 on Friday the 15th. I don't have work today. since over the next couple of days there's gonna be an air show on base. So, and I'm bringing along with me today.
Full helicopter. Here's the forward pitch, and around he goes, hanging upside down. Quite a while in the red bull helicopter. Listen to those rotating wings protest. Beating the air into submission, but it's also powerful. And that counteracting tail rotor, I mean, a helicopter pilot is